Stack Overflow asked 65,000 developers about AI coding. 84% use AI tools daily. Only 29% trust the code they get back. 53% report AI-generated code shipping with security vulnerabilities. The most common, cross-site scripting at 2.74 times the rate of human-written code. This is the most important dataset in AI coding right now, and almost nobody is talking about it. Dataset: 65,000 developers surveyed. 84% use AI coding tools daily. Only 29% trust the output without review. 53% have shipped AI-generated code with security vulnerabilities. The adoption trust gap is the vulnerability surface. The XSS problem. AI-generated code has 2.74 times more cross-site scripting vulnerabilities than human-written code. XSS lets attackers run JavaScript in your users' browsers. Account takeovers, session theft, credential harvesting. AI tools optimize for functionality, not input sanitization. What CyberOS finds. CyberOS scanned 400 real AI-generated code bases over 90 days. Top patterns: unsanitized inner HTML, missing CSP headers, dangerously set inner HTML without sanitization, unvalidated redirect URLs, template literal injection. These appear in virtually every AI-generated frontend. The review gap. Only 14% of developers do automated security review on AI-generated code. CyberOS catches these patterns in 22 seconds before they ship. Scan before you ship at cyberos.dev, free tier available. If 53% of AI code ships vulnerable, the only safe assumption is that yours does too, until you verify. More at endofcoding.com.